unexpected, sorry. I was trying to get an awkward moment with Matt.
Oh, sorry.
Didn't expect for a person to be here. So we have an hour and a half until we are at our random parking lot destination in the middle of the woods in the mountains or something. Matt won't tell us where we're going. And figured, you know, sitting in a car with people for an hour and a half, we might as well talk to each other, right? So, fun fact, I've been following this company for a long time. Totally didn't know, but I was like, what do you guys do? And they were like, iron and resin. Super cool, aesthetic, quality products.
My name's Tom. My wife Laura.
Hello.
We do have iron and resin. Been doing it for about 13 years now. It's kind of started as a little passion project for us, and we're still doing it. Mostly apparel. We kind of do stuff head to toe, so headwear to, you know, all kinds of outerwear, jackets, wovens, pants, kind of everything you'd need in the outdoors.
Mostly men's, but we do have a small limited collection of women's we do every couple of years, like this one right here. Mostly outerwear, everything from leather to wax canvas, of course, to stuff that has utility and will last for a long time. The goal is to, you buy it once or you buy it for life, so.
I just watched a video from Casey Neistat on that. Products that are made these days, it's made to fail so that people have to buy a new one. That, like, mentality of making it once and it lasting forever has gone away.
I think that's kind of why we started the brand, because, you know, we both have pretty rough and tumble lifestyles. I mean, we love to do stuff outside, so grew up skating, surfing, riding motorcycles, and, you know, just burn through clothes. And, you know, you get to a certain age and you're like, I'm just tired of replacing this every 6 months or every year. So
like, you found a good shirt and you don't want to let it go.
Yeah, we learned how to make things and learned that things could be made to last and not just burn through stuff at the rate we were burning through it. And like our stuff, we offer a lifetime guarantee on it, so it's you know, it's got to hold up. Trying to change consumer mentality from disposable, you know, garbage to maybe paying a little bit extra for something, but knowing something's going to last, or something you can repair or just make functional for, you know, for a long time. ironandresin.com, and then, you know, see us on Instagram or Facebook.
Current bike that you're riding, current go-to motorcycle.
Which yeah, I would say there's 3 go-tos probably for.
Yeah.
Daily drivers, like a Ducati desert sled that I've customized. I've got a, you know, a little stable of vintage bikes. I love vintage British bikes.
A little stable.
Yeah.
Little?
We've downsized.
How many? You can tell the truth. How many?
Yeah, we've downsized.
Probably was 30. Now we're probably down to 7.
Harley-Davidson loves doing this in the middle of nowhere.
You can feel the 10,000 feet a little bit. We wait for the bikes for a little bit, and then you and I can figure out what if we want to take them down the road, maybe just a little bit.
Looking so official. Sure. You ready for your big shoot?
Oh yeah, I know it.
Looks great.
Thanks.
Yeah. So this is Harley-Davidson's production shoot, a little behind the scenes and how they set this all up. It is a serious operation. It's just super crazy to like be able to see it all. So I want to share it with you guys, just so you kind of get behind the scenes of like all the effort and the work that goes into creating all of this. So you guys just saw Laura, she was all fitted up. Tom, getting done. Yeah.
What's up?
Making him beautiful.
Get my blue steel on.
Hell yeah. Call this like wardrobe or?
Yeah, this is our wardrobe motorhome, and we're about to outfit you in a second.
Oh, no way.
Yeah.
I get the treatment too?
Yes, sir.
Nice. Tent set up here. They've got food and coffee. Wild Harley corporates just hanging.
Just out in the wild, on a computer.
On a computer. Grub time. Bikes are supposed to be showing up here shortly. They're on a truck, and then yeah, they start doing all the production. So you gotta explain what's happening, because this is my first time here. There we go. Look at snazzy.
There's the motorcycles.
Oh. So it's pretty crazy. I thought it was kind of funny that the entire time they just said, hey, we got something special coming up. Do you want to go to Colorado? And I'm like, yeah. Harley-Davidson hits you up and says, hey, we've got something cool, and invites you, you say yes. So new paint colors and something else incredibly special that I'm not allowed to tell you about. But that news from Harley-Davidson comes in January, as well as our video going over it. For those of you that don't know, when it comes to Harley-Davidson's colors, they have a design team that travels the world every year that studies design trends in both like automotive, but then also fashion and across a couple of other different industries as well. They basically take what they see and they break it down into texturing, layering, finishes, and then they build a color palette that feels fresh, but still true to Harley-Davidson's style. For 2026, they're introducing a number of different colors. You guys do me a favor, comment down below letting me know which one that you like the most. My favorite was Aurora Blue Denim, and it has that anodized look. That's thanks to the denim clear coat that they have on it. But honestly, that paint, it just seems like it's glowing. I've only ever seen that blue color in a wrap, so the fact that this is paint is pretty impressive. This is just chapter 1 of what Harley-Davidson has in store for their 2026 lineup. Just a little tiny sneak peek. Like I said, we've got some other really big news coming up. We are going to share alongside Harley-Davidson in January. So be sure you're subscribed for that with that bell notification thing on. Bell Yeah Squad, you know, the little, you guys know what I'm talking about. The bell. Hit the bell next to the subscribe button and it'll send you notifications of whenever we drop videos. So if you are looking forward to that, it will notify you and say, yo, Blockhead just dropped a new video that's going over this big announcement with Harley-Davidson for 2026. It'll notify you of our other videos too, which, you know, those are pretty cool too, I guess. Hope you guys have enjoyed this one though. Harley-Davidson has a bunch of new products incoming. We'll be sure to share with you guys whenever they drop and hit dealerships and all that. So if you guys enjoyed this one, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, lets YouTube know that we're doing a good job. If you're not subscribed, hit subscribe. Hit the bell icon also, so it sends you notifications of future uploads and activity. Be part of that Bell Yeah Squad. Until next time, ride safe, stay vigilant. Take care. Peace.